Everybody, this is your boy Gavin here again. Today, I'm gonna be showing you my firearm collection, stuff that I have from now on. There'll be more coming in the future. I'm planning to get a BG-8 soon. So this is my collection at this moment. Okay, let's start into the mobile location appliances. We got a System Sensor Spectral L. Got it off of Amazon. I wasn't expecting to get this version. I was expecting to get the Spectral Advance. Well, hopefully during Christmas I get the Advance and the Classic. And we got a Wheelock MT. Yeah, I got this for my mom got this for me off of eBay for my birthday. Here it is. Okay. Next I have a Simplex. See the model number. A Simplex 4903-9D2001. Yep, I got this at school. Oh, back in December of 2017. I got it from a teacher's dad that works for fire alarms. So that's that. Then we got into the pole stations. We got a Simplex 2099-9795. I got this and that on the same day from the same person. So we can pull this and we can just reset it by using your Simplex key that came with the pole station. Chained up on the pole station. But it was kind of hard to reset the pole station, so I put it on a keychain. Hold on. Right here we go, and we can just reset it. Model Simplex 2099-9795. Now we can just walk it up. Well, it's hard to do it with the camera. Let's try it. Okay. That's that. And we got a Firelight BG-10. Yep. I got this for birthday present for my mom. Okay, so I guess we're gonna just pull it. Okay, now we can just reset it. There we go. Now we can walk it up. That's not. Okay, yeah, that's better. And the last stuff of my collection I have is a Firelight BG12. Yep. You can just, pull it. Okay. And we can just reset it by using your little hex wrench. I got this from Santa back in December of Christmas of 2017. So we can open it up. Yep, here it is. Naruto BG12. Some people think you have to flip the switch back up, but you don't really have to. All you can do is just close it. But if you close it, the switch will go off automatically. So that's my firearm collection at this moment. So I'll get more ones in the future. So that is it. So we're out.